Traders, I want to share a story what was in my mind yesterday before I was taking that entry. So first I'm gonna do the chart fast how I see my mind. So that's it. So overall I was very bullish because the last video what I was doing, we was talking about this holder, like how we found this support there, and then it was respected here by W and the breaking structure. So the structure here, it is very bullish. And now the movement what was happening here, we have to break a structure above the trend line and above the structure. You can see how we break those highs here. But then in the moment here, so imagine if this candlestick right now is alive. And I was here and I was looking at that W here. And then I was thinking something is off, like this W is a bit weird. And then I was going here. Then I was thinking, okay, this W is a bit weird too. You can see it's like a bit weird W. And I was going here, looking like, oh, this 618 W is a bit weird W too. And then I was going here, and then I see this W, it looks perfect, but only thing what I'm seeing here is this strong candlestick pattern. And then I was thinking that candlestick pattern, and then I see the same candlestick pattern is here inside that W, and then I see the same candlestick pattern is inside that W, and then I'm thinking, okay, where is the candlestick pattern? Because it's not here. So I have a question here. So where is the answer? And then I was thinking, when we break the highs, W's, very bullish structure, there is some opportunities here, like strong ones, because it's very, very going upsides. And then I was thinking, if they're gonna hide something, that's mean it's more deeper. And then I was thinking, we have to change the time frame. So I was going deeper, 5-minute time frame. Going back here. Then I zoom in and then I see, oh, and there it is. Exactly the same candlestick pattern is inside here in the 5 minutes. So then I was zooming in, I put my holder here. And the moment was breaking structure, going above, retest. Next movement, breaking structure and the retest. And this time, the retest was my entry. Stop loss last week low and take profit back to the highs. That was a good scalping opportunity. And that was the trade, and that was the mind behind it. Or like I was thinking there is like something is missing inside that W. And then I found the pattern, and then I found the pattern was much deeper. And the thing what was happen next was this awesome opportunity for scalpers. So that was my scalping opportunity, but there is a super nice scalping opportunities more, like those trend line breaks opportunities here, super good ones if you just use the trend lines. And one super awesome opportunity was here in the 15-minute time frame. This W here, very beautiful. You can see we have this W, breaking structure and retest. Retest was your entry. and same take profit, same what I have, because it is a structural take profit. And stop loss, wick low here. Very good trade. And those trend lines touches you can see here. Very nice trend line touches. With the trend lines, you can see if I a little bit closer here too. In the moment where this happening is exactly where the trend lines are meeting too. Like upside movement, strong one. So overall, you can see here, we break the trend line above, very bullish movement. We break the structure above, very bullish movement. And before that, we are respecting the previous bottom. You can see we are respecting the previous bottom with the W pattern. What is bullish movement? And the principle, the break and retest, is very beautiful. Break and retest, it is a very beautiful. It's an art there, and it's going super nicely. So if you want to sell somewhere here, yeah, that means there's too much noise in your mind, because the structure is very, very bullish. And you can see here too how we started the first W, breaking structure, and then the 618, the natural energy, and then we have the structure here too. So we have a pattern, natural energy, and structure, all pushing higher, all elements. So right now, in the moment, what is happening here is the extension, like this Fibonacci. If you're using this Fibonacci here, you have to realize too, it is extension of the continuation pattern, and the continuation is here, very sharp triangle. You can see the continuation pattern, very sharp one. So this is extension of that. The structural, if you want to use the structural Fibonacci, it is from this bottom here all the way to the same top, and the structural Fibonacci is here. And then if you're looking back, you can see here too, you have breaking structure but no retest. So this is one thing what you can keep in your mind. But right now, this extension of that. So previously, one thing what you can look inside that Fibonacci was the previous Fibonacci here. But if you look in the previous Fibonacci, one thing what you have in your mind is, because this is structure and the pattern Fibonacci, this Fibonacci here is extension of the Fibonacci. And here you can see you have 618 touch, 0.7 touch, breaking structure above, and then you have the 618 touch twicely there. But in the moment, just patient. But of course, there is opportunities to trade there with no problem at all. So basically, if you look in the previous Fibonacci, what was played between the structure and pattern, you can have entry like that here with the very small stop loss. You know, again, a crazy scalp, or you can do the same thing here. And then right now your stop loss will be a little bit bigger, but it's still opportunity. Like, that's how you can learn basically the information, and then how you're gonna manage this information, what is front of you. The opportunities are everywhere, every second, every minute, every day. But that was a trade. Nice scalp there. And uh, yeah, if you have some questions, leave in the comments. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you and ciao.